There are no TIK TOKS at the table. Andrew, that's enough.
No. 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 Please stop. Please stop. I have a fucking question for you. Did you, or did you not, take a fat shit in my room while I was sleeping? I can smell it, but I can't find it.
Laundry going, dishes done, dog's fucking fed. Hey! Don't fucking scratch my door! Go eat. God damn!
Stop drinking milk, Anthony! It's literally straight up milk. You don't even put anything in it. You don't even put anything in it.
Like cookies.
You don't even put anything in it. You don't even put strawberry stuff or chocolate stuff or anything.
Strawberry stuff or chocolate stuff because I would.
Then go buy some. Stop drinking normal milk. Are you a criminal?
This thing struggles getting zipped up the other day. I don't say anything. Is she? I was gonna say that. Alright. She's zipped up. You gotta be careful. Alright, Nana. I'll find her.
Huh?
I'll find her.
Oh boy. Where is she?
Here, come here. Let me check over there. Oh, shit!
Hey!
Oh,
What the?
Alexa! Play Mo Bamba!
Here, not there.
Here's Mo Bamba by Sheck Wes on Amazon Music.
Wow. 15-year-old bitch.
I said stop drinking, and she kept fucking drinking. Now look where we are. I just don't know her name.
Shut up, I know my name. I'm on 080201.
Hey, yo, Shade, I'm gonna give you this $100 bill if you can finish all these phrases. Peanut butter in.
Jelly.
Macaroni in.
Cheese.
Cinnamon toast.
Crunch.
Salt and vit.
Mitt.
Sing it! Swear to God, sing it! Sing it!
I just found out both of my moms are gay.
I love it.
Ho pinup hits the spot lease. The depot. Ho pinup.
Open up, it's the police. I'm black, I know.
Let's go!
Trying to sleep here.
Wait, Shane, how do you record this? Record this, hurry!
You
Hey, you gotta see this. Yeah, let's go!
Have a good weekend. That is really heading to my head.
Hey man, what are you doing?
I can't grab his pencil, bro.
Hey, there's a store right there.
Oh, dude, thanks. Why did I think of this? Thank you.
Watch that. Watch.
Can't hang. Oh shit.
Ryan. Hello.
That is the least helpful thing you possibly could have done.
Everybody's talking for you.
Okay, thanks.
Remember when I ripped my pants? Ready?
No.
Anybody?
I don't remember whenever you ripped it.
Oh! Yeah. It's all the way down.
I guess if a girl can do it, I can do it.
How's your hand?
He's looking at something, but he doesn't know he's looking at the wrong thing. He has no idea.
Hey mom, so little Johnny's in class, and the teacher asks him a question. If there's 5 birds on a power line and someone shoots one, how many birds are left? And little Johnny goes, none, because they'd all be scared away from the gunshot. Teacher's like, no, there'd be 4, but I like the way you think. Little Johnny goes, okay, I have a question for you then. There's 3 women eating ice cream. One's sucking, one's licking, and one's biting. Who's married? Who's married, Mom? No, the one with the wedding ring, but I like the way you think.
Dad, everybody on TikTok says they like the way you talk.
Cool.
So I was thinking that maybe you could help me out with the...
No. No more.
But all you have to do is pronounce a couple words for me.
Just a couple of words?
Yes, just a couple.
That's it.
Promise just a couple.
Alright.
Alright. Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Water. Dog. Coffee. Forget about it.
Perfect.
What's that?
Calamari, like the squid.
You mean Galamar?
Yes. Alright.
Talking without hands. What do you mean?
Talking without hands, like talk without your hands.
Hey, you guys still open?
Yeah, we close in 1 minute.
Alright, can I get 10 pizzas?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh my God. I'm in the ghetto. Ra-ta-ta-ta.
The pet one is freaking $80.
Yeah, just take this one. It's a little.
Aw, come here, Nori. Oh,
What is that?
Okay, listen. Tomato is a fruit, right?
Right.
And ketchup is a liquid made from that fruit, right?
I guess.
It has 20% sugar, right?
I guess.
And it's thick. Ketchup is a tomato smoothie.
Alexa, why am I so lonely?
You are probably lonely because you have a 2-inch pee-pee.